Hi everyone, we are Team Biotanica from SMK St. Anthony, Sarikei, Sarawak.
Our school is located at Jalan Repok, Bandar Sarikei, Sarawak. With rising national concerns about solid waste generation exceeding 33,000 tons daily, our team is tackling the issue of paper and plastic waste through innovation. We would like to introduce our project, the Earth Care Bin, or EC Bin for short. After recess, overflowing rubbish bins are a common sight at our school. These bins contains a mix of food scraps, paper waste, and plastic waste. Unfortunately, all disposed of together due to a lack of designated recycling bins. Improper disposal of leftover food creates unpleasant odors and contributes to environmental pollution. A recyclable bin made from repurposed plastic bottles and discarded paper, this innovative bin features 3 separate compartments for food waste, paper waste, and plastic waste, promoting proper waste segregation. While our school already has a dedicated bin for aluminum cans, the EC bin focuses on these 3 primary categories. With wheels for mobility and pushable cover, it is easy to use and portable. We craft the EC bin responsibly and creatively by selecting suitable waste materials, PET and HDPE plastics for their waterproof, durable, and heat-resistant properties. To build one compartment of bin, we cut the plastic into small pieces and heat them for 30 minutes or until fully melted. The melted plastic is then poured into molds to create 2 40x40 cm plastic boards and 4 90x40 cm plastic boards. Once cooled, these boards are assembled and painted. Paper clay signs are crafted by combining discarded waste paper with water and flour. These signs are then carved and attached to the corresponding bin sections. Wheels are attached for portability, and finally, the 3 separate bins are assembled to create the complete EC bin unit. These are the materials and costs to build an EC bin. The EC bin enhances our school environment by promoting cleanliness and proper waste disposal. It encourages recycling, allowing us to creatively use materials like paper and plastic. Team Biotanica is proud to present the EC bin as a practical and environmentally friendly solution to overcome waste management challenges at SMK St. Anthony Sarikei. The EC bin promotes responsible waste disposal habits and utilizes recycled materials and fosters a cleaner and more visually appealing school environment.